Okay, I'm not sure if you can see. I just want to show you these jeans all the way to the ankle. This is the olive jean, and it's going to be a reversible jean. So it's solid on one side, python on the other. Let me show you how it works. So this is the gray pair. I'm wearing the olive pair. This is the gray pair, but they work the same way. So one side, python, one side, solid. Isn't that amazing? And they're gonna have exactly the same detail on both sides. So hold on. It's easier to see on the solid side, so I'm gonna do that for you. Wait for it, wait for it. So both sides are gonna have exactly the same detail, which makes it really, really easy. So you're gonna have belt loops, love that. You're gonna have real back pockets on both sides, love that. You're gonna have faux front with one real coin on both sides. You're gonna have the zipper and the fly, and by the way, this zipper, of course, has the little zipper that goes both ways so that you can actually work it both ways. And then all you do is just put them on. So one day you're gonna wear them like this. Super cute, adorable, gray, in my case, olive, jeans. And then you put them in the washer, and the next time you wear python. How great is that? By the way, they also have a lot of stretch. Love that. So, super cute. And I love the olive color. Deep, gorgeous olive, just like you love in your wardrobe. And I'm a long way from the camera, so I can't really see you. So hopefully this whole video made sense, but I think you're gonna love them.